In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your ChatGPT email address step by step, quickly and safely. If you've created your account with the wrong email, want to switch to a newer inbox, or just need to update your login details, this guide will walk you through the exact process. And if this tutorial helps you, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. All right, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to ChatGPT. Once you're signed in, look for your settings menu. Depending on your screen, you may need to click your profile icon or open the menu in the bottom corner. From there, go into Settings and then choose Account. This is where your account details are stored, including your email information. Now, in the Account section, find your email address and click on it. When you select it, you should see an option to edit your email. Go ahead and click Edit Email. This will open the field where you can enter the new email address you want to use for your ChatGPT account. Carefully type in your new email address and double-check that it is correct. Make sure there are no typos, because this is the email that will be linked to your account going forward. After you enter it, ChatGPT will send a verification code to that new email address. This is an important security step to confirm that you own the inbox and that you want to make the change. Next, open your email inbox and look for the verification message from ChatGPT. If you don't see it right away, check your spam or junk folder just in case it was filtered there. Once you find the email, copy the verification code or click the verification link if one is provided. Then return to ChatGPT and enter the code to confirm the update. After the code is accepted, your email address will be changed on your ChatGPT account. It's a good idea to log out and log back in just to make sure everything is working properly with the new address. Also, if you use ChatGPT across different devices, you may want to update your saved login details so you don't accidentally use the old email later. One quick tip: if you're not seeing the edit option, make sure you're logged into the correct ChatGPT account and that you're checking the account section inside Settings. Sometimes people accidentally look in the wrong menu and think the feature is missing. Taking a second to verify your account details can save you a lot of time. So that's the full process for changing your ChatGPT email address. It only takes a few steps. Go to Settings, open Account, click your email, choose Edit Email, enter the new address, and verify it with the code sent to your inbox. Nice and simple. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more easy tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.